Hey, what's up guys, welcome back to the channel. In today's video I'm going to show you how to sign up for a Bright account. If you're ready to take control of your finances with Bright, the first step is signing up, and it's super easy. Let me show you how it's done. So you're going to start by downloading the Bright app from the App Store or the Google Play Store. Once it's installed, open the app and tap Get Started or Sign Up on the welcome screen. Next, enter your email address or mobile phone number and then tap Next. You're gonna need to create a secured password. Make sure it includes a mix of letters, numbers, and symbols for extra security. Now, Bright will send a verification code to your email or phone number. Just enter that code to confirm your identity. Next, fill in a few basic details like your full name, date of birth, and residential address. This helps Bright to keep your account secure and compliant. Finally, agree to the terms and conditions and then tap Create. And that's it, you've officially joined Bright. You will now land on your dashboard ready to explore your financial tools. If you found this guide helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more Bright tutorials and tips. Thank you guys for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.